Hey, it's Doug from Rise Above Performance Training, and today I have a full body kettlebell workout for you. Let's check it out. So in this full body workout, we have 4 blocks. We have an upper body block, a lower body block, a core block, and a dynamic block. So each block will have 2 exercises. The first exercise will be 1 round or alternating. The second exercise will be a single side. I'll explain how to put it together at the end, but let me run through the blocks. The first block will be the upper body block, and we're going to do a halo, and we're going to make it alternating. So I'm going to take my kettlebell, I'm going to open up my elbows, roll around, and I'm going to alternate. And I'll do 4. Now, the single exercise on this upper body round is going to be an overhead press or a military press. So I'm going to get in my pocket, I'm going to grip, I'm going to push against the bell, and let's do 3 on each side. So now I need to switch. I'll do 3 on this side. Now we'll go to the lower body block. The lower body block is going to consist of goblet squats and then any kind of lunge you want to do. So I'll do 3 squats. So I'll turn to the side. And let's do 3 lunges on each side. I'll do a reverse lunge or a step back lunge. And I'll hold my bell down low. You can hold it high, you can do body weight, whatever you want. I'm going to stay on this side. I'll switch hands and switch legs. Next, we're going to do the core block. And the core block is simple. It's just going to be planks. So I'll do a front plank. So I'll get in my position. I'm going to tighten my glutes, shoulders down, and hold. Let's say I do 30 seconds. And then I'll do a pair of side planks. I'm going to line everything up, my ear, shoulder, hip, knee, and ankle in a straight line. So let's say I did 30, and then I do the other side. I won't make you stare at my backside. The last one we're going to do is a dynamic block. We're going to go 2 arm swings and 1 arm swings. So let's say I do 5 2 arm swings. And then I'm going to do a pair of 1 arm swings. Let's do 5 on each side. I'll turn this way. I'll switch, go to the other side. So that is the workout. Now what you can do it for reps. So you can count in your head, you can do 10 and everything. And then when you're done, you can rest a few minutes. Or I like to do it for time. I like to set the clock for 30-15, 40-20, 45-15. It's whatever you want to do. So give it a shot. Let me know what you think. If you like the video, please like it down below. If you really like the video, please subscribe. We'll put up a new video about every week. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Rise above, we're gonna rise above. Make this score what we say. Rise above, we're gonna rise